you're experiencing low performance while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to improve the game's performance on your system. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the minimum specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly enhance game performance. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing FIFA 24 to run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in the performance of FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming experience.